ricer. Why, dude? Why? Yo, what is up? Hope you guys had a great week. It's been sunny out. It's been nice here, so I still kind of hung over from my sister's birthday. We had 2 rounds of sake bombs, and that was like a week ago. Anywho, I did get something new. I got a new mod. It's really cool. It's the Snow Wolf Fang. Reason why I got it is because this old Alienware, not Alienware, what the hell? Smoke Alien broke on me. I dropped it on the Addy and it pushed the 510 connection loose. And I've been messing with it and trying to put it back together, but it doesn't work, so I had to go ask my cousin to borrow her mod. And it was a touchscreen mod, but I was vaping one day and the battery pack pushed open this cover. So I was using it for like a couple days, scared that the battery might explode in my face. It was so sketchy. But I like this one a lot. It's still running my same Addy. I don't know, I probably won't ever get a new Addy. I love this one. But as far as these 2 mods, they go in the trash. And I have to go to the mailbox to pick something up. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I hope you guys could try to guess what it is. Knowing me is always something random, or not really. It's either computer parts or car parts or stickers. If you guys can guess what this is, I can give you my old one. The problem is that you might have to pick it up from the trash can. Okay, I'm excited to see it. Let's open it. Receipt and new slap. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. I got some new panties from Grip Royal. Just kidding. It's a shift boot. That's pretty cool. That's cool. I've been wanting to get a shift boot for a very long time. The one I have is ghetto ass green apple Crown Royal bag. That shit is ghetto. I always told my brother-in-law that you're allowed to rice one thing on your car, and for me that's my shift boot, because that shit is hideous. Let's go ahead and get my day started. This is the only way to fill up on a Miata. It's the best way to fill up on the Miata. Only because I could pull up to any side and not having to worry about which side the fuel door is on. See? Hey, that should be like I should make a pros and cons video. Nah, I'll pass. 24 bucks for a full tank, and that lasts about 2.5 weeks. Hell yeah. So let's go ahead and install this shift boot. First, I gotta remove everything and put it to the side. There's a couple screws that I need to get to, but that only takes a second. So a shit ton of wires up here, you know, for various things like fuel cutoff and two-step and extra fuses. What? Probably trash. All right, I think I can manage to put the new boot in without unwiring everything. So for this ghetto ass shift boot, I could probably just rip it all off. Yeah. Okay, so with the shift boot, it's really easy. I don't have to screw anything. I'll just place this band in between tabs. Here, it goes all the way around. And I don't have to screw anything in, so hopefully it'll snug tight enough where I could screw this plate down. Okay, I got this fitted back on. Now let's go ahead and screw it back to the console. And put everything back. I really like that new shift boot. It definitely gave me a color scheme that I never thought of, which is like the black and gold / wood color scheme. I don't know, it looks pretty good, to be honest. I might even redo my door strap. I can go ahead and put a link in the video description if you ever decide to get a shift boot from Grip Royal. They make some quality stuff. They got different colors as well, so cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really like the shift boot. It definitely made the car less ricey, according to my nephew. Looks really cool. Had to go pick up some comics too, of course. It was Spider-Man, Miles Morales Spider-Man, She-Hulk, and Go-Go Power Rangers. They didn't have Amazing Spider-Man 797, but I guess I could go to Mile High and pick that up. Also, if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can go ahead and keep that to yourself because this isn't one of those channels. Until next time, peace.